Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from eBangaloreproperty.com. This is Cozy Home number 82, brand new independent east facing house built on 20 by 30 side, available for sale off Mysore Road in Banashankari 6 stage. From Kengeri bus terminus and metro station, this is 3 km inside after RR Nagar area. This is ground floor complete parking, right round compound wall and behind setback with safety grill is provided. Property has got own borewell, 30 feet wide tar road, Kaveri water lines are available. BDA allotted site, east facing 20 by 30, ground floor full parking, above 4 BHK with 4 bathrooms. Main entrance is also east facing, all planned as per Vastu. This is the main door, east facing teak wood. Inside the complete granite flooring. This floor you have living room, TV unit, puja room, kitchen in the southeast, one bedroom in the southwest and common bathroom. All the interiors are done POP false ceiling with LED lighting, column structure. This is the TV unit here. Puja room, north facing. L-shaped kitchen, granite platform, granite sink. And here in the southwest, this is the bedroom here. Wardrobe, dressing, mirror. Inside the bedrooms also granite flooring is provided. Two-tone color for the walls. Southwest corner, this wardrobe is projected with dressing mirror. And here you have a hand wash basin, and this is a common bathroom. Onida Ibibo brand fittings are provided. Oppo-ware commodes, GM brand switches and Phenolix brand wiring. These are all ISI certified branded fixtures. Central staircase with stainless steel railing. On the second floor, 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms and 1 balcony is there. In the center, this study area is made with a study table. Spacious master bedroom in the southwest corner with wardrobe and attached bathroom. Bathroom here. House is completely ready to move in. For those working in Global Village or frequent travelers to Mysore, Mandya, this is a good option as it is just off Mysore Road. Now the Mysore Road metro line, purple line is opened till Whitefield. This is the third bedroom with attached bathroom and balcony, roadside facing. Right in the northeast corner you have this balcony. And now this is the staircase room. POP false ceiling with LED lighting. And you have the fourth bedroom here in the southwest corner with attached bathroom. And this is the terrace area covered with canopy, Mangalore tiles. Separate laundry room is also there. Well planned house, Cozy Home 82, located in Banashankari 6 Stage BDA Layout. Presently one of the lowest prices in this area. Please go through the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.